Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is altitude. What you're looking at is the downloading. Zip folder error. Windows cannot complete the extra desktop. Great. Oh man, I'm trying to download the Assistant too. This cannot be reached now. Vendor screen is okay. What I'm trying to do is download the DJI Assistant too, so I can upload it into the goggles, and then I can actually upload it to the into the Mavic Pro and the controller. So hopefully all this doesn't. Continue installation. Yes. The instructions told us to download it, and then you can download it into the goggles, and then download it into the computer or into your drone and the controller. They show you all this stuff, but actually doing it is a whole different matter, especially if you've never done it before. Okay. Not sure exactly what's going on. We'd like to install this device software. Yeah, I guess so. If it's coming from DJI, I'm going to trust it. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Can I complete the extraction? Destination file cannot be created. I'm not sure what's going on. Huh. Well, I got like 3. It's not complete. If you install Mavic, set up again at another time. Okay, what's this one here? Same thing. Okay, looks like this is the one. Finish. Let's see what it does. Firewall has excellent features. You have okay. Some features system application on all public and private networks. System application to communicate this network. Yes, okay. I think we're getting closer. See what it does. Ah, jeez. DJI third-party partners will ensure that software functions properly. Okay, join experience. Join user experience program. Yes, we can do that. Alright, how to de-inspire? No. Not de-inspire. Okay, there we go. Now I gotta log in. Now we're going into. That's how you connecting Aspire. Alright, turn switch on the bottom. Okay, let's see. Now I gotta log in. I gotta think of my account. Oh, there's always something. Okay, let's see if it goes in. I may have to sign up. Verification code error. I'm not sure what that. Verification code. It must be this one over here. Z3 2 Delta. Let's see if that's correct. Password sign up. I'm gonna try another one. Let's try that one. Well, I've got my password, so I guess I gotta go. Okay. Next, let's see. Always problem here. Okay, at least I know I'm in the right area. So. I've done everything right so far. Verification code. Yeah, let's go. Click to reload. No, I'm not a robot. No, I'm not. No. Oh my word. Crosswalks. Select all images of crosswalks. That's the ones I see. See two. Please also check the new images. Okay, I'm alright. I got a good code. Okay, let's go. Next. Okay, password. Sent link has been emailed to you. Okay, I felt my phone go. Okay, just gonna disconnect my phone now. Let's see. DJI password. Let's try it again. Okay. Get in. Okay, here we go again. Click here, reset your password. Alright, I gotta do it from my phone. This can be a pain in the butt, I'll tell you. Okay, let's see. Sure, I got this. Okay. Compressor does not match new one. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. What happened here? Okay, we have successfully returned the previous pages. Okay, we have. Okay, send login. What am I doing here? Verify hydrants. Jesus. What in the world? Also check new image. Okay. Oh, come on. We done yet? Okay. Log into your account. Okay, I just did log into your email account. Okay, I've already updated my okay. We are good, I believe. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. Come on. Alright, let's log in again. Okay, I believe I am now in. I hope so. Why is the verification not here? Z-U-M-N. Let's go. Okay. I believe we're in. Yes, we are in. Okay, sweet. Alright. Now that we're in, let's see, I believe I have to plug in the goggles now. Okay. My finger out of the way. Okay, there we go. Looks good. DJI goggles are plugged in, and we're on the DJI site. So here we go. Okay, these are all the different upgrades, and this is going to be the latest update. Click it on. Approximately 5 minutes. Computer's connected to the internet. DJI device is powered on. USB connected. Let's go. Oh man, wow. Wow. Okay. Ensure the DJI device is powered on and computers connected to the internet. Yes, it is. So let's see. See how far we get. It says we are downloading. Don't see anything moving yet. There it goes. I got almost sent. I'm not going to hold you guys here for that.